guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mariana, and today we are going to learn about fidget spinners. Let's get on the video. Fidget spinners are like when you put two fingers and on the other side you put one thumb, then you spin it. That you can do with one thumb. From colors from the fidget spinners, they have 5 colors, which is red, blue, purple, pink, and white. Fidget spinners exist since 20 years ago, and the reason why, because China's taken over the world since this year. The fidget spinner was born in the 1990s. And if you don't believe me, search on Google website. Thank you for watching this video. Please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!